Welcome to AkzoNobel, one of the biggest chemical companies in the world. In this video, you will know our company better and see some important safety instructions. AkzoNobel Chemical Division has been in Paulínia since 1988. Our plant operates according to the strictest standards of the ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001 norms, and the Responsible Work Program from Abi King. We have a commitment with our employees and the communities which we work in. Our target is to achieve 0 accidents. Therefore, your behavior inside the company is fundamental to guarantee everybody's safety. Pay attention and follow these safety guides carefully. Motor vehicles must obey the internal signs. Do not park or move the vehicle in the crosswalk. Respect the speed limits. In the production, storage, and construction areas, it is mandatory to wear the PPE, personal protection equipment, safety glasses and shoes, hard hat, long-sleeved uniforms. The PPE must be returned for hygiene after being used. Slippers and sandals are prohibited in the production areas. Without the adequate personal protection equipment, you can only walk in the limits of the crosswalk for pedestrians. The access to some areas is restricted. To enter in an area outside your work security, it is necessary to have the proper authorization. Visitors must always be walked while they are inside the plant. It is expressly prohibited to use cell phones, beepers, or radios in the production areas. To enter the facilities, these devices must be left in an administrative area. Matches, lighters, or any other devices that produce sparks or open flames are prohibited. Smoking is allowed in determined areas only. To perform any kind of work in the production areas, maintenance, expedition, or laboratories, it is not allowed to wear rings, bracelets, earrings, watches, or necklaces. Do not approach equipment in operation without being supervised. Keep a safe distance from the stacking machines. Do not walk in blocked areas. Look for a safe alternative way. In case of emergency, a continuous alarm will sound. This sound means you must immediately stop what you are doing. Turn off the electrical equipment and go to the main entrance following the escape route identified by yellow stripes. Attention! The alarm is tested every Friday at 10 a.m. Our brigade is trained to work in emergency cases, but it is vital that you follow the safety instructions. Because of that, it is important that you know the escape routes. If your eyes are affected, use the eye washer. In case there is an accident and your clothes have contact with a chemical product, wash it immediately with a lot of water in the closest emergency shower. In both cases, go to the infirmary. In case of injuries, the safety sector must be immediately informed so that you receive the necessary medical care. With a garbage selective collection system, we guarantee waste is recycled. Sort the garbage correctly. It is this way that AkzoNobel wants to grow, preserving the environment, benefiting the society, and taking care of its employees. After all, it is this way we work. Here at Paulínia, we adopt the Prosiga, a safety process based on people's behavior. AkzoNobel has basic safety rules that reminds us that a safe behavior can protect us from the most common dangers that put the lives of colleagues, contractors, and visitors at risk. These are our life-saving rules and the golden principle. Work with a valid work permit when required. Use fall protection when working at height. Obtain a permit for entry into a confined space. Make sure moving machinery is guarded. Check equipment is isolated before work begins. Obtain authorization before disabling safety equipment. Wear a seatbelt in motor vehicles when provided. Do not use alcohol or drugs at work. The golden principle: stop work if conditions or behavior are unsafe. Akzo Nobel will do everything to provide you a pleasant and safe visit. If you have any doubts, ask an Akzo Nobel employee.